Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma AI Beta. First, make sure you have access to the beta program through your Figma account settings. Once enabled, you'll find new AI features integrated directly into your design files and through specialized plugins. These tools are designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your creative process, making design tasks more efficient and intuitive. Let's dive into the core functionalities. Figma AI offers powerful tools to accelerate your design process. You can generate multiple design variations for a single component or entire layouts, saving significant time. The AI can also automate repetitive tasks, such as creating consistent component sets or organizing your design system. Furthermore, it provides intelligent content generation, helping you quickly populate designs with realistic placeholder text and images. This allows you to focus on the bigger picture. Beyond creation, Figma AI significantly boosts your productivity. It can optimize image assets, suggesting improvements for quality and file size. The AI also provides smart recommendations for accessibility, ensuring your designs meet industry standards and reach a wider audience. Moreover, it facilitates better collaboration by offering AI-assisted feedback, helping teams iterate faster and make more informed design decisions. This integration truly elevates your design workflow. To get the most out of Figma AI, always start with clear and concise prompts. The quality of your input directly impacts the AI's output. Remember to review and refine any AI-generated content, as it serves as a starting point, not a final solution. Don't be afraid to experiment with various features and settings. Exploring different approaches will help you unlock the full potential of these powerful AI tools. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.